Alright, we are going to get started right now on the final few rounds here. So one more again, I'm going to show you how to unload. Click the button, slide out the rounds, press the little doohickey, and they all fall out. Get fresh bullets! My zombie killers. And then, click, roll, cock the hammer, click, click, and click, clack the fucking zombies. Okay. Oh! I think I actually genuinely shot the crap out of that thing. America! That was so awesome.